follow-up video on what I was doing. Some of y'all noticed, seen the video, seen that you couldn't crank it like this. It just clicks, right? So what I'm doing with this cable right here, this one, when I touch it to the positive post, it cranks it. Here's the solenoid. This wire right here is hooked to the solenoid right there, and the starter cable is hooked right there. They're hooked to the same. So when I touch that, it's bypassing the solenoid and cranking the mower. We got a solenoid order. It's just taking a while to get here.